Hello and welcome to my world of music. It's Biggi from Hamburg. Today I have a great subject for everybody who's interested in enhancing the creativity. Creativity in a way that you write stuff, that you're creating music, that you have ideas, may it be for your personal life or for your business life. I am convinced, not only convinced, I've seen it, everybody has an inner artist. So everybody is able to write, to create, to do stuff where you in the first moment didn't know, oh, I have those ideas. So let me give you a few trainings here. I today would like to share a beautiful book and especially one of the most effective exercises. So, this is the book. Julia Cameron, Der Weg des Künstlers. Of course, you now have this in German. It's going to be called like The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron. This is my very old and dirty used up version that I've had for 20 years or something. It's like a creative Bible. This is a little overdone, really, but this is like a cure for your inner artist. Once you have done this program, it's made to be a 12-week program that you can follow and really easily follow. This is for everybody. Really forget the professional expectation. No. So let me talk about this powerful exercise that is called the morning pages. Morning pages, I don't like that word really because this to me is like, ooh, I have to do it every morning and I have to get up half an hour earlier. I won't do that. I love my sleep. So if you like to do it, do it. I'm very sure it'll help. But so do it once a day, the morning pages. Use paper, definitely paper. No laptop, no dictating into the mobile phone, no. This is considered to be a pen and paper work. And the exercise goes like this. 3 of these DIN A4 pages are going to be filled with a pen without letting go the pen. That's the secret. So what you're doing is, your stream of thoughts. You're not, I put the pen down. You write down every little thing. Oh, I can hear the bird outside. Wow, who's this crazy Biggi woman who was talking about this? Like, who's Julia Cameron? Why should I do that? Oh, I want to go to bed. A lot of this in the beginning will be moaning or, everyday thoughts that you might not want to keep. So let time pass. Go on, go on, go on, go on. You might need perhaps half an hour. Don't do steno, don't do the short writing. Really write down the words because there is the secret. When you write down your thoughts, you will notice that the pen is so much slower than your thoughts or even speech. And what happens then is considered like a car that is in another gang. You have like the first, second, third, fourth gang. I don't know the English word now, I'm sorry. But you would get from first like thoughts without control. The further you go on, second page, when you're at the third page, you will definitely have a little change of thoughts because all the fast thoughts that are not really by you, that are like typical stuff that goes on in the brain that could lead you. No, now something different is happening. The artistic hemisphere is being activated. And now and then, beware of a great idea. So this could come by itself if you train, if you do this, and even if the first days you won't have like one great idea, doesn't matter, go on. Because as you go on, you will find something. You might want to write down perhaps, oh, this day I'm a little scared of an exam, or I don't want to go shopping, or I put on weight, whatever complaints. You will not get stuck there because your self-awareness, like in the process of meditation, will rise, and you will gain more focus, more light, ideas, pictures that will make your day more effective. Really, really, I am not the only one. This was like a best-selling book, and a lot of people used it, not only artists. Since I have been working with this book for years and years, I was like lucky enough to have loads and loads of song ideas, especially melodies and lyrics. So I have books filled with my ideas. So this was possible because I did, this, and then I did the second step. Let me explain you how I do it. You will do it your way. So what I recommend to you is, okay, books. Friends who know me know I need empty books. I need empty pages to fill the paper. So I'm being given lots of empty books. This is very good for the handbag when you are in a ball and you have a very small handbag only, or cigarettes. You can put this into the cigarette thing if you smoke, but please stop smoking. Here, other books, lovely ones. Have one with you. At your everyday, have a small book with you and a pen. Because once you start enhancing your creativity, you will change. You will have these moments, may it be sitting on the toilet or having your coffee or waiting for the bus, or, moaning about being stuck in the traffic. And then could be a title is flying to you and you might want to write it down. So have something there. Here. This is lovely. This is small enough for my handbag. So, and there's one thing you can do. For example, in Germany we have those €1 shops. This is like, close to $1. So you can buy that stuff cheaply and you give it a different cover to invite the muses to you. So, for example, like that, this is what I did. I have business ideas, marketing ideas that I collect here for my digital marketing program where I'm at school now. So, or you have a beautiful artistic thing here with self-made paper, or a huge one. This was very cheap also. It looks like crap, but you can place something else there. So there the creativity already starts. Okay, the second step, once you got this morning routine, is to find a way to make a selection. Because what happens is, you write, and then one picture, one business idea, one book title, one scene title, one song idea. You will have it, and where to put it. You collect it at the end of your morning pages when you're full with that book. I can promise you that this will happen very fast because you always need 3 pages. Don't make it shorter. Don't betray yourself. So this is one of my books. It looks like alternative or dark rock, this is my past. So what you can do, this is just one idea, you can collect pieces of songs, for example, and once you have a name, an idea for that, you leave the rest open. Once you have one verse, you leave it open, and you help yourself by using pieces that you have. Once you go through them again, So you collect pieces here. I call it, wait, my light has gone down. Here, I write up there pieces, and then I have this collection of small aha moments or of pictures that I liked. And you might want to start to have lines, to have different subjects. And then, for example, once you have a song, and here I have, this is like just one title and the pieces are still somewhere else. This is citations, this is like album title and a song title that I already crossed, because this way I know I was digitalizing it already. So the first thing is analog pen and paper, sort it out, and the third step is then digitalizing it. So then you can share it. Okay, morning pages. What is important? To do it regularly, do it daily, start a routine, use your meditation or other practices that you have, and really allow yourself some weeks. The best thing would be to go through this 12-week program, because you will find so many exercises. The morning pages is just a very basic and very efficient, possibly life-changing thing. Actually, a friend of mine, a singer, a songwriter, she said to me she had to stop the book because it was too magical. Things happened, like she had the feeling, oh, if this happens so fast, I might get crazy. So she got scared. She didn't know the side within her. It is not important to call it spirituality or creativity. It is completely not important what word you give it. Call it flow, mojo, whatever. Feeding the inner child, giving it a chance, whatever you want to call it. It is important not to judge yourself. Do not expect that you will publish this. This is not for anybody to read. Keep it for yourself. Nobody in this world has a right to see your morning pages. Please keep them for yourself. This is for sorting out, And call this like plugging in to a kind of universal plug. You're being given ideas. Julia Cameron says creativity is like electricity. And what you do with exercises, like for example the morning pages, is you clean out your channels. So when your channel is cleaned, and it will get cleaner from week to week, you will be pleased what comes after a while if you stick to it for a few weeks and for months. Imagine what happens after years. You could write an album, you can write a book, because you will also stick to the thing, because you have your routine, and the routine allows you to sort the everyday out. So you're giving yourself the choice. So, and the channel, when the channel is free, you're just being given from where doesn't count. If you call it God, if you call it vibration, if you call it the inner self, could be all the same in the end. So, yeah, this was one of my favorite power tools, and let me show you this. A friend of mine gave me this for really big mistakes. You always have the rubber. Okay, so have fun with that, and some other exercises I will explain to you later on. Okay, bye.